Welcome. My name is Erica, and I'm here today with Rituals to share with you a meditation that helps us pick a mood or an intention for our sitting or yoga practice. What I'm using today is the cards that were compiled from my first book, Art of Attention. And these cards are inspired by positive affirmations that help you choose your choice of thoughts. And that's important when we sit down for a meditation practice, because for any desire that we have to be realized, for anything that we want in our life to manifest, there has to be some sort of vibrational compatibility between what we're thinking and what we're doing. And what I love about drawing oracle cards before a sitting is they inspire me to think bigger and to be better. So the way that this will work is we take our favorite deck of cards. And if you don't have a deck of cards, then you can always just think of one word. So for example, you could think of courage, you could think of love, you could think of faith. Anything that's really relevant, a theme in your life that you want to focus on, and let that be your oracle card. So it's just like drawing from your intuition. If you do have a deck of cards, what you'll want to do is begin by taking the deck from your box and placing the cards in the right hand and using your left hand to clear the energy. And then to shuffle your deck, you'll just simply take cards from the back and place them in the front. And there's no rush. You just shuffle the cards so that each one becomes infused with your vibration. So if you don't have a deck at home and you're unsure where to get a deck, today you can always just think of one word. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to draw just one card, and that card will be the mood or the theme for our sitting. So with the cards spread out in front of you. So I'm using my left hand because the left hand is associated with the feminine side of the body. And the feminine side is more receptive in this case. And so by holding my hand about 6 centimeters above the cards, I just simply close my eyes. And it's even helpful to place the right hand on the heart. And just give yourself a moment to come up with a question. It can be a question about the past, a question about the future, or even just as simple as how can I become present in my sitting today? And there's no right or wrong answer to this question. Just whenever you're ready to draw a card, you'll pull a card from the deck. And the card that we receive today is the receive card. It says, receive and refine your thinking. Good. So in the meditation practice, a word like receive, when we're sitting, is usually symbolized through the hands. And we'll place the hands up with the index finger and thumb together. And we'll just take a moment to rock back into our sit bones, stack our heart over our hips, and lengthen the spine. And with the chin in towards the chest, tip of the tongue resting on the roof of the mouth. This has everything to do with the way that you're receiving the inhale. Big belly, soft heart. And just take a moment to let the word, let the image from the card just sit in your energy. What does it mean to receive? Breathing gently. And every time the mind begins to wander away from the breath, just gently draw it back. Receive the inhale. And offer up the exhale. You can even take the word on your card and repeat it mentally, just mentally vibrating that word. Receive, receive, receive. Just look for a softening. Or falling back into the body. And just slowing yourself down if there's any acceleration in the emotional energy when it comes to receiving. If there's any trance of unworthiness, that you're not worthy of receiving, just acknowledge that very gently. Slow down your breathing. And in the next few breaths here, create some space in the belly. And this deep breathing begins to deepen your emotional capacity here. Not only to give more than you thought was possible, but also to receive more than you thought was possible. And we'll take 2 more rounds of breath. Inhale, feel the body receive. And on the exhale, feel the body offering up that gift. And when you're ready, go ahead and bring the hands together in front of the heart. Chin towards the chest. May these cards inspire more love and more listening in your life. Namaste.